Hey guys, Steve here. Today I wanted to get on real quick and make a video on how to set up an email template in your Gmail. Now we know that it kind of makes it easier if you have templates, already set up and all you gotta do is pop a name in there and pop an email address in and just fire it away. And you can do it a lot quicker mobile instead of trying to copy and paste and paste the text in the email, then find the email name and send it. If you have these pre-populated templates built, I'll show you one. If you have these templates built, let's see, I'll show you, boom, hit compose, hit welcome, templates. And I have all of these templates. Welcome to the team, happy Halloween, this is an old one, welcome to List Leverage, I'm your E1 Up sponsor, Level Wars training, GDI promotion. These are just my online startup. These are various email templates that I have already saved. And now let me say, how about this one? Put your free system to use, right? And it's already populated, right? And it comes in there and all I have to do is pop in the recipient. Well, I'm going to show you how to set that up for yourself. Okay, the first thing you do is you log into your Gmail account, okay? And then you just go to this sprocket right here on settings, click settings, right? That's loading. And then you come across the top here and you go to advanced. Once you're on advanced, you'll see auto advance and templates. Turn frequent messages into templates to save time. Templates can be created and inserted through the more options menu in the composite toolbar. You can also create automatic replies using templates and filters together. You just click enable, then you scroll down. There's other options here. You can do a lot, and I'll make more videos. You can even add voice message replies too, or text replies, but I'll show you that in a different video. So then you hit save changes, and it refreshes. Okay, so basically. So now this is my junk email account. So now if I hit let's see, compose email, it's loading up. I think I went too fast on it, There we go. Now if I click this more options down here in the corner, it gives you a place to have templates. You see that? It looks like I already had one there. But here, let me show you how it works. So we go here. I want to copy my subject line. Boom, welcome to getting started. And I paste that here. Then I go back to my little notebook and I want to copy all of this. Now this is just for demonstration purposes. I'm not going to go in and fill in all the links or anything like that. Then I hit Control V. Now here's my email. Now like I said, this is just for a tutorial. I would go in here and tweak all the fonts and everything. But then all you do, here's your subject line. Here's your subject line. And that's going to be the title of your template, actually. So then you come down here to this bottom right, more options. You click templates. Then you click save draft as templates. And you come over and say save as new template. Boom. Enter your new template name. I typically just keep the name as my subject line if I'm familiar with it, or I may just call it like this is for PLS, Power Lead System, so PLS, and hit save. Now it doesn't change your subject line, it just allows you to, when you're scrolling through, if you have a lot of templates, it just allows you to find out what yours is, the one you just saved. But here, let's show you. I'll close that out. It's gone. I'll hit compose. I'll hit more options. I'll hit templates. And here's my template. I'll click welcome. Boom, it's populated. Now all I have to do is put in my recipient's name and hit the send. But that's all I got. That's all I wanted to show you, get on real quick and show you guys is how to set up templates in your Gmail account. It makes things a little quicker, more efficient. If you want to shoot that quick generic welcome email to a subscriber, or just send just a something that you're going to always send repetitively. You know, you can just make a template for it. Like me, when I get a new lead, I get in and I send a welcome email to that lead. And I can do that from anywhere because you can access your templates on your phone. Boom, send it out if you get the lead in or whatever. But I hope this video helps. Like, share, subscribe. I'm Steve, and I'm out.